Friends, good evening. Let us see Nifty trading setup for next week, that is after 24th till expiry of the month of August. And we'll discuss some of the important things which I am seeing on the charts. Okay, and okay, let us see. This is Sekaran Jaiswan from Omega Stock Pro. Okay, let us move on to the charts. So this is the daily chart I uploaded before you. So in this daily chart, what we are watching, there is a famous indicator which the professionals use and very easy to understand also. You can see this is the RSI. RSI here it was above 70, and here it market corrected Nifty. And then what happened? There is a negative divergence and market is making higher high. In this scenario, what happens? This is on the daily chart. So as there is a divergence, if we accept the divergence on the downside, see here how the divergence happened during the fall, and here market came and it went. See, this is how divergence works. Somebody is buying or whatever they are doing, it is easily identifiable through this one trading setup. Okay, here also we can see what happened. So I'll take into the center. Yes, there was a divergence, higher high, correction, higher high, again correction, again higher high, again correction. Then see how there was a big fall. So positions were taken, see, November, from November to, so this COVID-19 was just a trigger to fall. So people need some trigger to fall, and people were creating positions here. The market was consolidating, and we saw the more the time it consolidated, and the fall was very big. Now what has happened? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, 5 times market has touched. Last time also we discussed that market has touched 5 times. Here also 5 times it took resistance, and there was divergence on RSI also, and Nifty corrected. So in this scenario, what will happen, friends? We must not aggressively buy at this stage. Many people are saying that the market will correct this and this thing, but we have to see it technically. Yes, is it correct or wrong? Here you can see how market, here it was bullish, came down, again it pushed up, but the strength is not there. You can see the higher high, a point, at least 200 to 250 points. So 100, 150 points, sorry. So here it is around 300. Now the high made is 450. Okay, but RSI is going down, so momentum should not go down. See, this momentum can get cancelled. That is another thing. But why it is happening? If we are accepting at the downside, we must also accept at the higher end also. So somebody is selling their stake or positions. We must be very careful about it. This is daily chart. In the hourly time frame also, you can see how it is. So last time we discussed that in the hourly time frame. So we generally our strategy is to buy here. So last time also it worked. Anyway, it came down around 70 on 18th, and then market severely moved up, and that was normal, move around 200 points. So last time actually we spoke that this is not the time to aggressively buy, because there were other trading setups which were showing negative this thing. So quickly we will see FIA activities if it is available here. So FIAs were buying 13,000 crores, and DAs are selling. So anyway, there are slowly you can see somebody here they bought, they sold, and something is happening. Anyway, they are if we see, they are in green zone, so they are holding the market. What they are doing, we are not unable to understand, because of the new margin rules on the options side. So it is difficult to identify if they are buying in cash, and if they are taking position in options or futures, then it will be very the dangerous move like the previous one. So here they are buying. Last time also, if you observe, around 11,500 to 12,400, FIA started buying, and they were creating positions on the downside on futures and options. So up to 10,000. So we must be very careful in which stocks they are buying. That too we cannot say, because they may be buying in some mid cap stock, some large cap stock, some other stock. Okay, so here there is a problem. We need to understand this one. So we need to keep in mind that there is a bearish divergence, but by seeing the price action on hourly time frame, let us see, we need to keep a very strict stop loss. Then only we have to, we our simple strategy is that if the RSI on an hourly time frame comes to the downside around 30 to 45 and then rebounds, then we'll put a small stop loss, then we will ride the trend. So this is our strategy. I think until there is a very bad news, the market will correct. Maybe whenever the market will fall, it will give a very good gap up, and from there it will start correcting, because the seller will try to sell at the highest point if the market corrects. So market generally at this point, it is, people will not give any identification before a big fall. Here also many people were bullish before the COVID, up to the targets of 14,000, 15,000, and all. Okay, 14,000, 15,000, we will go, but as per the earnings only we have to move. So options chains I am not discussing, friends, because it's only 1 week here. And if any major change, I will post it onto the Telegram group. You can see, watch, join our Telegram group, that is Omega Stock Pro. In the Telegram group, I generally I'll show you if it opens here. Mm, Omega Stock Pro is our channel, yeah, with a big alpha symbol. You can join. For intraday trading also, I select the stocks and post there, and so that it will be easy for you to watch those stocks levels, and it is very simple. So if you are an equity trader, then you can trade in futures also. But this video I am making for educational purpose, so that your analysis may be little bit easy. Okay, friends, that is all for this week. The main thing is that we are seeing a divergence on the negative side, so it is not a time to buy aggressively. Let the market correct, and then we can take positions, and that is a very good trading setup as far as the setup which is available now on the charts. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Take care, manage your risk. Bye bye.